In this presentation, I'm going to share 5 tips for creating and running your first membership site. With a membership site, your business can have a private website with exclusive content and the ability for subscribers to interact with one another, all while paying you a monthly fee. If you want to start your first membership site, here are 5 easy-to-use tips to help you create and run the site and find business. Tip number 1. Start before you believe you're ready. When it comes to creating and running your first membership site, you'll never be completely ready, but you'll want to start anyway. If you are unsure whether or not you have enough to offer, you can start with a ridiculously low membership fee and let your charter members know that you will be testing your idea on them and that you would love to hear their thoughts and feedback. Tip number 2. Learn from sites you belong to. If you belong to any membership sites, then you can learn from what they've done. Maybe they offer monthly seminars and monthly Q&A calls. If there are things on the membership site that you don't like, ask yourself what you would do differently. If you've never subscribed to a membership site before, consider joining one for a couple of months to see how they work. Tip number 3. Interact and engage with customers. Members will have a much stronger incentive to join if they know that they will have access to you. This could mean offering live webinars and seminars where members can ask you questions, forums where you post regularly, or a private Facebook group where you chat with your members. Tip number 4. Run group challenges and events. If you've provided a ton of great content, but your members don't seem to be engaging with the content, you may want to consider running a group challenge or event. Many people find it easier to stay motivated and on track when working within a group. The events don't need to be big to get people involved. Tip number 5. Give out a few free memberships. If you have potential members who you'd like to have on board, but who aren't able to afford your fees, consider letting them in for free. They might be people who leave thoughtful comments on your blog regularly or tweet your posts. These kinds of people are often your greatest fans. If you want to start a membership site, consider incorporating these tips into your overall plan and build a powerful membership site.